the Movo Smartphone Video Kit. Alright, so today I will be showing you guys the Movo Phone Video Kit. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to put all of these things together, how it actually works. And it comes on this nice case that you see right here. Let's go ahead and take everything out, and I will show you what each piece does. We got the handle, okay? This handle here, this part here is plastic, but I like that this part here you can put in a tripod. You see here, you can put that in a tripod. Here's another place if for some reason you want to put it upside down, I don't know. And then there's another place, I guess if you put the tripod sideways, it will hold this. But this is basically, for a lot of it is for vlogging, you know, as you're holding and walking around. Let me show you. And here's the bar that actually slide into the top right here. You see that? And then you tighten it. Now this part here you could also put on your camera, so that way you can put the microphone in the light, which I'm going to show you right now. This is a LED light, and you turn it on this side here. I don't know if you can see the difference. Yep, there you go. Here's the light. Oh, there's a light, and you have different settings. You see how much lighter that is? Medium, low. So that's a cool feature. And then another good feature that I like is the fact that you can charge it up. So it's basically, you don't have to have batteries. It's not going to die on you as long as it's charged up. So it comes with this cord here, so you can just charge it up. I thought it was awesome. So then this part, let's go ahead and slide it to here. Again, this part right here, this light, you can also put it on your camera, your regular camera if you have one. The other part that I'm going to show you is the microphone. This is the wind muff. They call it the cat, I guess because it's hairy. I don't know, it looks like a dead cat. I don't know the tail. But this here is to block the wind, which I will do a video on it so you can see it. And here's the microphone. Let's go ahead and put it on just like so. See how it has a little handle right here? I like that. Also, this you can hook it up to your regular camera, because sometimes the sound on the regular camera is not that great. So you hook this up and it gives you a nice voice. I mean, here's the wind muff like I'm going to show you, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the video that I just did outside. So I'm outside, as you can see. It's a little windy, and I want you guys to check out this to see how it actually works, if it works any better with it or without it. Okay, so I am out here. As you can see, it's windy. Let's see if this really has the test with the wind, if it helps. Let me know if you can hear a little bit better. Let's see. All right, how does it sound? You can see my hair, it's windy. Does it sound any better with the wind muff? What do you think? Well, that's it. Now we are going to put in, this is also the cord. That's the part. This here goes into your iPhone, into your phones, Android, whatever. This part right here connects directly into an older Android, if you have, that has this kind of port. So you would hook it up here, and oops, you would hook it up and then hook it up into your Android, and then put the Android right here. My husband has an older Android, so it works for him, but I had to buy this piece right here to work, and this right here is what I use because I have a newer iPhone. I have the Note 10, so I would have to plug it in this way and hook it in. And this one here is for those that has a iPhone. I also had to buy it apart separately. So these two pieces, you have to buy it separately. So I will put the description for these if you're looking for a smart iPhone adapter or an iPhone adapter. I will put in the description below just so you can order. Also, these pieces you can buy it apart. Like the microphone, you can buy it by itself if you just want to use it for your regular camera. I have to check if this one, I haven't checked it, if you can buy it separately. But these things you can buy it separately. I will also put the description below. And this one here is for you to put it in from the microphone to your camera. It's this one. The longer, the one doesn't have this cord, goes to a phone. Then they have a remote if you want to take a picture. You're holding the camera this way and then you want to take a picture. So if you're recording someone, like walking around recording someone, it would be facing this to them, but then the camera will be facing you. If you're recording yourself, then of course the iPhone will be facing you, and so will be the phone. So that is it. Now, another thing that I found out when I tried recording with this by putting this on my phone, the sound was not coming out. So I had to do some research, which I will drop. At the end, I'm going ahead and put the little video what I had to do to actually get sound on my camera. And if you're having the same problem, that's all you have to do. It's very simple. So if you have to use any of these adapters, you have to do that for your phone for it to work, or you won't hear anything when you record it. Okay, and that's it. Drop your comments. Let me know if you have this product already and how do you like it, what do you like about it, what you don't like about it, and what different ways you use it for and how does it work for you. So there you go. You can record like this or like this. You decide which way would be best.
Like I had said earlier, for you to use the adapter, you would have to download the app, and I will be showing you guys right here. So you would press the setting button, then you would go all the way to the video setting, and you would press that. Now you would go to audio source, press that, and go to external mic.
And that's it, and it's all ready to record, and you will hear the sound.
And like always, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give me a like, comment, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.